All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back for another one. And I have some great news to share with you. And guess what? Who's my co-host now?
We are back.
We are
You're
back.
not getting rid of me that
Woo,
easy.
let me give him some of that.
Yes, sir.
Woo, that's how we do it here.
Yes, sir.
Oh, man, I'm so excited. We're going to make this fun.
Yeah, man.
Y'all was not ready for this, bruh.
Let's get
They
to
were
it.
they were not ready. Very first segment, lies Haitian parents tell their kids. And we're going to go straight to it.
Lies Haitian parents tell their kids. Okay.
When you were growing up, what kind
Right.
of lies your parents told?
What kind of lies they didn't tell, right?
That's the question.
That should be the question. Well, the first thing that comes to mind is when they don't want you to do something,
Yep.
like they'll just come up with, make it, the biggest excuse they would have is lugau, which is,
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
like the boogeyman.
The boogeyman.
Coming to get you or something
Yeah.
like that. They really use that to their advantage to get you to do whatever
Oh, yeah.
they wanted. So that's the first thing that came to mind. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I can remember, because people still use it nowadays. They say,
Right.
Wapkun Josh.
Yeah.
But I don't think they use it in the right context, though.
Okay.
They said, oh, Wapkun Josh. They don't know the history behind it.
Okay.
Wapkun Josh, it goes back to early 1900s. George was a marshal, what you call a bounty hunter or something like that.
Okay.
When someone who was in prison run away and he goes after them, once he catches them, right?
Right.
Not only he tortured them, he put their hands in hot oil. Then he asked them, what's my name? Kinom.
Right.
Kinom.
Really?
Yeah, so he can instill his name in their brain so they don't run away again.
It goes that. Hold on. I'm confused, bro. I'm confused.
Yes.
I don't know. Why do I have
Yes.
this different story in my mind?
Yes, it goes way back. Parents saw that as an opportunity to tell the kids, when they're being bad, George is coming to get you.
Really?
Yep.
That is not how I understood it.
No. Tell me yo.
From what I heard,
Uh-huh.
I don't know if Jesus. From what I heard was we had was it a hurricane or something that happened in Haiti?
Never heard of that
man,
one.
This is
Tell me that version.
The Haitians are gonna have to they're gonna have to tell us who's right.
Yes.
I thought it was a hurricane or something that happened in Haiti, right?
Yep.
And you know how when the hurricanes they
Yep,
all have a
that's
name,
what-
you have to give it a name, right?
Correct.
Maria, Hurricane Maria, Hurricane
Gustav.
whatever. Right. So we had George,
Yep.
which did a lot of damages in Haiti,
Mhm.
right? And that's what it was. So Wapkun George is
Wapkun George.
you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
so they're using the
You gotta
hurricane
know
as a reference.
George.
Yeah, they're using that as a reference. That's what I thought it was. I did not know about what you just said.
Before that
Okay.
one. Yeah, because, man, there's a lot of things.
Well, I hope you're right, because if you're not,
I know. Please, I'm
You're
here
not.
to learn. I am here to learn.
they
Please.
will tell you in the comments.
Yeah,
I know that.
if I'm wrong, I want you to educate me, because this is what this is about.
Right.
You know what I mean? Not only to educate me, but I want to learn more about the Haitian culture.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We both came here around the same time. I came here in 95.
Right.
You know what I
Me, 97.
Okay, a couple of years.
Yeah.
And when I came here, those are things Haitian parents were doing
Right.
where kids were being bad.
Okay.
It was like, oh, let's go visit a family member in Miami or Haiti or something
Yeah.
like that. And they used to say we're Haiti. Then the kids get on the plane, excited, going, and guess what? Your ass get left behind.
Yeah, they're leaving you behind.
They're leaving you behind until you act right.
Yeah.
And a lot of that was happening when I first came here.
Man, maybe back then you couldn't understand why they would do something like that.
Yeah.
But as you get older, you understand why they would do something like that.
As a parent.
As a parent, you
As a
understand.
parent.
Right. You understand why they would do something like that because you need to get right.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, most
And,
definitely.
A lot of times they can't discipline you by.
No, because
by
this is a
whooping
whole,
your-
that's
this
a
is
whole different.
It's a whole different system here. So they have to find some other way to punish
Yep,
you and to get you right. It's not really a punishment. It's really
Correct.
of raising you the right way.
Correct.
You know what I mean?
People will say that's cruelty. I don't think it's cruelty. It's
I don't think it is at all.
No, it's a way of getting back to our culture. I see it as, you know what, just like some people might probably say I'm wrong. If a single mother is raising a boy, when the boy gets to a certain age, like 9, 10, he could go live with his dad. You're not giving up your son, especially if the dad is taking care of that kid.
Right.
You know what I mean? So it's a way of, if the kids come here, they're being bad, go back to Haiti.
Yeah. They need some structure. You know?
Correct.
And it's kind of hard sometimes here in
Yeah.
the U.S. to give them that structure.
Oh, yeah, most definitely. Because
The way the system is.
there's so many different things that I call distractions.
Yeah.
I mean, distractions and Haiti, they could definitely, because I know in Haiti, in school, the school system is not as good, but the discipline aspect of it,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
But what I think is the way of life in Haiti is completely different than here.
It humble you.
Yeah. So it's more of in Haiti, we're more of a community.
Mhm.
We live as a community, right?
Yep.
I help you, you help me. I have the rice, you have the beans.
Yep. We put it
we
together.
put it together. We got
Yep.
food. It's more like that.
Yeah.
Whereas over here, it's more like it's me and it's you.
Yeah.
You
I
understand?
mind my business, you
My
mind your
business. Yeah,
business.
yeah. So
It's
there's
it's
no
not really too neighborly the
right,
way it should be.
right.
You know what I mean? Because when I was in Haiti with my grandmother, when we had to plant, like whether if it's the corn or everything,
Hmm.
everyone came together and my grandmother make a big old pot of
Right.
whatever they were making, my moulin or something like that. Everyone ate once we were done planting everything, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And so it's a community, and we had that. When there was time for someone else to go plant their crop,
Hmm.
we did the same thing. We go
Right.
help them,
Yeah,
and they made the same thing. Make a big old pot of goshoja,
yeah, yeah.
and we
It's
cook.
again, it's very community
Yep.
driven, which is, in my opinion, the
Mhm.
best way to live.
Yeah.
You understand? I think you live longer when you live as a community. I help you, you help
Mhm.
me. We grow this way
Yeah.
versus over here where everybody's doing their own thing solo.
Correct.
One of the reasons why no one makes it because everybody's trying to make it on their own.
Yep. Everyone trying to make it
Yeah.
even family members, like when they're doing the family reunion,
Right.
it's they don't really do it the way they used to anymore, where everyone wearing their shirt and whatnot. You find out someone, oh, you my cousin? Ah, damn, I dated you. You're my cousin. Things
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
that.
Yeah, yeah.
Things like that happen. But they don't do the whole family, community, tightness. We lacked of that, I
Yeah.
think.
It's a
Yeah.
different world, man.
It is a different world. So I was on Facebook. I watched a lot of funny videos on Facebook. There's
Okay.
this radio stations called Jubal and Broke in the morning. This girl she called. She was like, they do this segments like second date. If you go on a date with someone and the person ghosts you, you call the radio station. The
Hmm.
radio station call the person to
Hmm.
to find out why. And they do this other one's called Awkward Tuesday,
Hmm.
where you tell the radio station what the awkward thing is. They let you call the person so you could tell the person what the awkward moment is, right?
Okay.
Person that she called happened to be her side piece.
Okay.
And she wanted to tell the side piece, I am married. She has been with the side piece for about 3 years.
3 years is a relationship. That's
Exactly.
not a side beat. But go
And
ahead.
she was married for 4 years.
Oh, okay.
For 4 years, she was married, right?
Yeah.
When they made the phone call, he got on the phone. He was like, nah, I don't believe you. I do not believe you. They was like, you don't think she's telling the truth? No, she's just giving another excuse to break up with me. That's not what it is.
Okay.
It was like, are you sure? He was like, yep, that's just her. I don't believe her. She could tell me her dog died and something that I would not believe her because she told me every excuse in the past to break up with me.
Okay.
But all those excuses were so she can go on whatever she needed to do with her husband to ghost
Oh,
him.
okay. Okay.
That's what it was.
Yeah, yeah.
The dude, the side piece thought it was just an excuse, right? So they ended the phone call. Sometime they do updates.
Hmm.
So they came back on the call.
Hmm.
Guess who was on the call again? The side
the
piece
side
and
piece.
and the wife.
And the
Right?
wife.
They
Okay.
were very happy. The people they were like confused. They was like, but you seems very happy. How can you be so happy the way we ended the phone call the last time?
Right.
She was like, I got some news for y'all.
She's getting married.
No, 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 no. He met my husband.
Okay.
He met my husband, right?
Okay.
So after she was like, "Oh yeah, he met my husband," and actually my husband loves him. And people was like, they were confused. How come he met your husband? Did you tell your husband? She was like, "No, I did not tell him." So how, in what capacity,
Right.
he met your husband? Well, I'm going to carry his baby. My husband think I'm going to be a surrogate for him.
Oh man. Okay. So the only thing I'm thinking, why would the husband agree to this?
But the husband doesn't know.
I mean, you said the surrogate, so that she's
Yeah,
having the baby for him. But
correct.
what I'm saying is, why would the husband agree to let his wife have a baby with someone else?
Come on, people do not just
That's
weird things.
crazy.
They look at it as oh, I'm helping you. You know what I
Yeah.
mean?
And do you know if they have kids? If the husband and the wife have kids or no?
I
Maybe
don't
they
know.
don't have kids, and
Probably.
probably
Or maybe if the husband can't have kids,
that could be it.
that could be it. But he's going to be a surrogate
Okay.
for the guy, for the
Yeah.
side piece.
Okay.
So that means it's going to be the side piece kid
Right.
that she's carrying.
Okay.
In reality, he's been digging it.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I don't know, man. I don't know. Whatever works. Whatever works, man, because, people do different things. And like the way I like to think of
Mhm.
things, it might seem crazy to me.
Uh-huh.
It might seem crazy to you.
Yeah.
And it's not so crazy for them.
Yeah.
As long as it's not crazy for them,
Correct.
who am I
Yeah.
to say? Like, who are we to say anything? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It is what it is. Yeah. If the husband's fine with it, then thumbs up. Thumbs up.
But that's weird though. But Imagine how the husband going to react when he finds out the truth.
Yeah, but I think he knows a little bit of the truth. Like, are they this surrogate? Are they going the old school way, or are they like doing like the
I don't
what would you
know,
call it? Like
but maybe she may have convinced the
to do
husband
the old school way?
to do it the old school way.
Yeah. So again, if he agrees with her doing it
Mhm.
the old school way, then it is what it is.
Well,
I don't think he'll have a problem with having a
probably
baby.
not because there's a show. I'm not sure if you see it. It's like a poly family.
Right.
It's two couples. You have the wife and the husband, boyfriend and girlfriend to each other.
Okay, so they share.
They share.
Okay. Again, it might be crazy to you. It might be crazy to me, but
Ain't
people
it?
have different way of seeing things.
That's
And in all the time that I've lived, if I learn one thing, that is everybody have their own thing. There's really no right way or wrong way. It's what's right for you and what's right for me or
hmm
what's right for him. You understand?
yeah.
So yeah, it seems a little crazy, but if everybody's on board with it,
hmm
so be it. That's how I look at it.
The culture too.
It's the culture, it's different culture.
Yeah.
Here in the US is completely different
Very different.
than what we have in Haiti, the
Yep.
Caribbeans, or Africa, and all those places.
If you see other countries, you can have multiple wives.
You
Here
can
you
have
cannot.
multiple wives.
Yeah,
You
but
can't
here
have
you
it here.
cannot.
Exactly.
So it's the culture thing.
Yeah.
I mean, Haiti, we can't have multiple.
We can't have multiple. There are so many countries in Africa where you can.
hmm
So
But
I don't
I
know.
think there's a
We should move
stipulation
to
behind
Africa.
it, though.
Huh?
You said I should move to Africa.
I said we should
Oh,
move to Africa. I'm not throwing you out. We're going
we said we.
we.
Oh, you speaking French now?
Yeah, man.
We.
But yeah, you could get multiple wives and stuff like that, and you know,
Yeah,
we're gonna get in trouble here for this
I know.
one.
We gonna get in trouble.
Hey,
Uh,
that's cool, man.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's what's up.
Yeah, but I think there's a stipulation behind that. Some places, like in order for you to get another wife, you have to have a certain amount of money and things like that
Yeah,
to be able to take care of your family.
yeah. You gotta have money. You
Yeah,
gotta have money because it makes no sense if you don't have
it
money.
sure don't.
Yeah. So you gotta
So,
have money to be able to make sure everybody's happy. And also, I think the only way you can convince the women, the ladies, for them not to have to worry about money.
correct.
So
Show them that you can provide for
right,
them.
right. So they probably wouldn't. They
Yeah.
wouldn't.
But there's another show I saw this dude, black dude.
Mhm.
I think it was like 3 or 4 women.
Okay.
He's a homestaying dad. So the
Oh,
women,
the women are taking care of him.
yeah.
I saw something like that.
How did he swing that?
Damn.
How did he swing that?
God, he's winning, huh? Wow.
I
But
guess
the ladies
so.
are working and he's at home.
He's at home.
Boy,
Ladies, I want to hear how y'all feel about that.
jeez.
I want to know. Is that something you would do? Is that something, the husband stays home?
I'll do it. I'll stay home.
Of course.
Oh God. But that's crazy though.
Yeah.
How did he swing that,
I
man?
don't know, but he stayed home. If he's taking care of the kids, taking care of everything else, you know what I mean? Each his own.
Damn.
Yeah. So again,
That's good though. That's good.
what
What is
works
that?
for
Is it
them?
is it a white couple or is it
No, the dude is black. All
the
the
dude is black?
the dude is black and the women are white.
The women are white.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
All right. He got game, huh? Okay.
Oh, I don't know.
Whatever works, man. Again.
Either he got game or the other ones, I don't know.
Yeah.
So
Whatever works, man. Like I
Oof.
said, man, this whole life thing is
yeah,
everybody's just doing it, whatever works for them.
I want to go back to Haiti.
Yeah, yeah.
What are some of the things that when you think of Haiti,
Yeah.
that goes through your mind?
When I think of Haiti, some of the things that goes through my mind.
Yeah,
Um,
food. Because I never really got the chance to experience like Port-au-Prince. Yeah, I was born there.
right.
I grew up in the country part,
Where?
Saint Pierre.
Saint Pierre.
Yeah,
Okay.
which called Grand Bois.
Gambois.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, I don't know
Neck
why.
Gambois.
Neck Gumbo. I don't know why they call it that because the translation is crazy in
God,
English.
I know. Okay. All right. All right. Well, I grew up in Port-au-Prince. Right?
Okay.
I grew up in Delma. You see where all the craziness.
Everyone grew up in Delma. Delma what?
Delma 10.
When I was in Port-au-Prince, it was Delma 24.
Okay.
We used to live in Delma like 31 next to the theater.
Okay.
Imperial.
Imperial. Okay.
Yep,
Okay.
yep.
Yeah. So yeah, I grew up there. I didn't travel much. Like I didn't explore
Mhm.
Port-au-Prince or Haiti at all.
Wow.
And I think that's one of the problems we have. People living in Haiti, right? You
Yeah.
are where you live.
That's all you know.
That's all you know. That's where you stay, right? So
Mhm.
you don't know Cop, you don't know Kai, you don't know any of those
Nothing.
places. So I left and come here, right?
Mhm.
There are white people who go to Haiti that knows
Mhm.
Haiti more than I do
Yeah.
because they travel. You understand?
Yeah.
I think that's one of the things that comes to my mind when I think about Haiti. I
Yeah.
wish that I visited and
Mhm.
traveled. Well, not me because I was young. I
Yeah.
wish that my parents or
Yeah.
somebody took me around to
Yeah.
actually see what Haiti was like. Because
Yeah.
I've never really gone to the villages. Not, no morning, none of that.
Yep, yep.
So I stayed in the city, which you don't really get the full experience
Not at
of
all,
Haiti.
because you just know the city life. Going outside of Port-au-Prince is very different, you know.
Right.
Um, Jacmel, whenever I did get a chance to go to Jacmel with my mother, it was, I think we went there 3 or 4 times that I can remember.
Right.
As a child, it was beautiful. The beach.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the pictures, and I brag
Yeah.
every
I was in
time.
Jacmel once. I went there once.
I brag every time I say, like, yo, what you think that is in the Caribbean? You
Yeah.
know, if they say like Puerto Rico or
Yeah, yeah.
Dominican, I'm like, nah, that's Haiti, son.
Yeah, man.
That's Haiti.
We have some nice places,
Yes, we
man.
do.
And
Yes,
of
we
course, a lot
do.
of places need some work.
Oh yeah, oh yeah,
But we do have some nice
yeah.
places.
Hmm.
And those are the places that they're not showing you. We don't know that they exist.
Correct.
Kind of, which will bring me back to my channel, to what I do, because I'm hoping that I can go to Haiti and show the nice side of Haiti.
Why don't we go?
Yeah, I am going. I have plans to go. Maybe by the time this comes on,
Yeah,
maybe I'll be, I'll be there.
yeah.
But I hope to show the nice side of Haiti so people do
Yeah.
know that we have some nice stuff there. One of the things that we have to do, promote it the positive way
Correct.
to try to get some people to go there.
Yeah.
You have a lot of people who are showing the negative side of Haiti, which some will say, yeah, I have to show the bad side. I have to show all the things that are wrong so that
Mhm.
someone can come in and fix it.
But it's not helping.
It's not happening.
It's not
It's not
happening, and
happening.
it's not helping.
Right. It's not helping.
Yeah.
I don't think it is.
Yeah.
Because we have been showing the bad side for
Forever.
forever. That's all we know.
Yeah.
Everybody knows the bad side. Like there's
Correct.
not one bad video you can make about Haiti that's going to surprise me. Because I've
Same
already
here.
seen all the bad stuff.
Yeah.
However, make a nice video and show the good part. That might shock some people. Be like, wow, that's Haiti? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, just like this 19-year-old I saw, she said she wanted to be the youngest person
Right.
who traveled multiple countries at an early age.
Right.
And she was in Haiti. I think she was in Fort Liberté. She was showing the video.
Okay.
And she was like, even regardless with everything that's going on right now with the gangs and
Right.
everything, she said she thought it was going to be dangerous. People were telling her not to go. She
Mhm.
ended up going anyway. She made that video and she showed the beautiful part of it. And that's
Right.
what I like to see.
Yeah, man.
mean?
I want to show the good side. I
Yeah.
want to show the nice part. I want to show the food.
Yeah.
It's the Caribbean
Yep.
country, man. We have all the beautiful things that they have in Jamaica, the beach, and you know what I mean?
We do.
And we're just not doing a good job at promoting it.
Correct.
You understand?
Yeah.
And that's something that I would like to do. I would
Yeah.
like to show Haiti in a way where once you see it, you'd be
Mhm.
like, damn, I gotta go. You understand?
Yeah, any traveling agency who wants to, support us, sponsor us,
Yeah.
so we can help us. Well, actually help us to talk about some of the good parts because, like I said, this is a learning curve for me too. On this podcast,
Right.
I'll get to learn about Haiti, learn more of things that I didn't know because I came here at an early age.
Mhm.
And I wanna, whether if it's like certain places that you want us to see
Mhm.
that people not seeing right now. There's a place called Soto. There's a Fet Soto. I wanted to go when I was young, but I never got.
I
the
did
chance.
go once when I was very young. I don't remember it clearly because I
Yeah.
was very young, but I did
The
go once.
waterfall over
They
there.
have a waterfall, yeah.
Bruh.
I wonder if the waterfall is still there. I wonder if everything is the way I remembered it to be.
Wow.
Hopefully they kept it nice and
Yeah.
kept it running, but we don't know. I don't know what it's like. Tell us in the comments though, by
Yes,
the way. Hey,
let us
if
know.
you've been to Soto, if it's still
Yep.
nice, let us know. But yeah.
Yeah, and I saw they have a brand new airport at Cap Haitien.
Okay, Cap Haitien is OCAP.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was looking at the tickets.
Yeah.
And the tickets they're like,
Yeah, international flights would be OCAP.
yeah.
I know they just did one in Okai,
Hmm.
which they said it was an international
But it's a small.
airport,
It's
but it's
really
a very
small.
small
Very
place.
small.
I don't know how I feel about that one, man. I don't know. I want to, I want to be excited. I want to
Yeah.
clap for a little bit of effort, but
Yeah.
Jesus, man, they could have done a better job.
Yeah. They don't have the support.
They don't. But I heard they spent a lot of money though on there. I just can't
Probably
see
did.
where the money went.
Yeah.
You know how you do a project and be
Yeah.
like, yeah, I spent $50 million on this, and I'm
Show
looking at
me.
the project. I'm like, 50 million? Where did where's the 50 million? You know?
Where did
So
it go?
yeah. So that's kind of how I felt about this one.
Yeah.
But I hope at least that it's functional. I
Hmm.
hope at least that we can get planes in and out of
Yeah.
there, at the very least.
Yeah.
And right now, I don't know,
Yeah.
but I don't think
I
it's
think there's a
functional.
couple of airlines I saw that will be flying to Cap Haitien. I was looking at as soon as I started looking at the flight, because it's obviously in the north,
Right,
like in the north,
right.
and Port-au-Prince is way down there, so away from everything that's going in Port-au-Prince.
Yeah. People still go, man. People are
Oh
still
yeah,
going now.
yeah,
Cap Haitian. I know somebody who would go through DR, like he
hmm,
would fly to DR,
yeah,
and then he would take the bus from DR to Wanamint.
hmm,
From
okay.
Wanamint, because it's on the north side. So from Wanamint,
That's a lot though, because
from Wanamint, they would
I know you're
drop
just
down
trying to
to
save money, but that's also a lot too for the trip to do, because if you have baggage and all of that.
yeah, but I only think I don't know if there's flights though direct to OCOP right now. I don't know.
I was looking online.
There is, huh?
Yep, there's flights.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, another thing too. I saw a lady. She was in Haiti,
Hmm.
so she went to OCOP,
Yeah.
right? And then she took the helicopter. There's helicopter rides.
Okay.
So she took a helicopter ride from OCOP to Port-au-Prince.
I don't know if I trust a helicopter, but okay.
Yeah. No, it was fine, man. She did it. She did the whole
Okay.
vlog on TikTok. I'm
Yeah.
watching because I followed her
Yeah.
immediately because I'm like, oh man, that's cool. I didn't even know they had that.
Okay.
So she took a helicopter. She flew to OCOP
Uh-huh.
and then took a helicopter from the airport,
Yeah.
and it takes her directly to her hotel.
Okay.
So I don't know if the hotel owns the helicopter or how it works, but they have a helipad and everything
Wow.
in
They must have.
in
They
the
must have.
hotel where she landed, right where where she's staying at in the
Okay.
hotel.
That's what's up.
You know?
That's what's
So I
up.
did some research and I
Mhm.
find out that the flight was like $1,000 or something.
Yeah.
It's gonna cost more, a little bit over $1,000 for
Wow.
the flight
Okay.
from OCAP to.
Good.
So if you have that type of money,
You can do it. Tell us no in the comment, please. Please, all the listeners, tell us anything that you think we should talk about on the podcast, because this is what this is about.
Mhm.
Educate us and we educate the public, let people know about Haiti
Right.
and who we are. You know what I mean? I really want to learn about my culture and how Haiti is, things like that. Because my dream is one day to go film a live
Mhm.
episode in Haiti.
Oh, nice. Okay.
That's what we want to do here.
Okay. Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like I said in the beginning, he's my co-host.
Yes, sir.
Y'all not ready for this, and now we on the top of the hour. We don't want to go, but we have to go.
It's about that time.
About that time. But
Yes.
we'd like to thank everyone for coming, and let them know where they can find your YouTube channel.
Yeah. So I make YouTube videos. I do travel videos.
Mhm.
I travel the world.
Yep.
Tagline that I have: I'm hoping to bridge the gap. I'm hoping to bring Haiti more to the Caribbean and also Africa.
Uh-huh.
Right? Because we are all the same people. I believe
yeah.
we are one people.
Yep.
Right? So the whole Caribbean and Africa. So yeah. So you can find me at Who Is Herby. So that's the channel. It's growing. Like I said, man, I got my Haitian flag wherever I go. I'm trying to promote it as much as I can. I'm trying to bring positivity. I don't want to share
Good.
the negative stuff.
That's right.
If you want to see the negative stuff, you do not want to go to my channel. I am not sharing any
Nope.
negativity about
Nope.
any place, because I think there's enough negativity going around, especially in Haiti. So I would not be talking about none of the nonsense, the gangs and all of that that's going on. That's not what I'm interested in.
Mhm.
I am hoping Haiti won't stay like this. It will
Correct.
change. And I'm hoping to be part of that change. I'm looking to be part of the positive change.
Yeah.
If any of that makes sense to you, man, check it out.
Check it out. And, you can find us, The Path We Take podcast on all platforms, Instagram, Thread, YouTube, TikTok.
TikTok, you name it.
You name it, we on there. We're going to be on Patreon one day. We'll get there. Hopefully by the time we release this podcast,
Yeah.
and you can find us in there. And please follow us. And until next time, thank you guys.
If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe.
Yep, subscribe, follow, and tell a friend to tell a friend and share it. Make us go viral.
Absolutely.
All right, y'all.